Hello, dear students. So, because of the spreading of coronavirus, my colleagues and I took the initiative to present all the school subjects in CDC channels. So, before getting started, I want you to know that we will do a recapitulate of all the courses that we have seen before. بمعنى غادي نديروا واحد التذكير بالدروس اللي كنا قريناهم في الكلاس. Alors, the first lesson is verb to be. Before getting deeper in this course, I want you to know that all grammar structure have a form, a meaning, and a use. We can show this with a P chart, as it is shown here. The form, how is the grammar structure formed? كيف ما كنا شفنا ديجا الفورم ديال يعني هاد ثلاثة ديال الحوايج مهمين في every grammar course. The form, meaning, what does grammar structure mean, and the use. When and where the grammar structure is used. So let's get started in the verb to be. First of all, the verb to be has three forms, عنده trois ديال les formes, which are affirmative form, negative form, and interrogative form. Let's begin with affirmative form. So the affirmative form is I am when we want to talk about ourselves. فاش كنبغيو نهضروا على راسنا we say I am. You are when we want to talk about another, you, and he is for the guys, boys, men, she is for the girls, it is for an object, animals, or plants. We are, you are, and they are. This is called the full form, يعني كاملة هكا كتكتب. There is the short form, هذه هي هذه فقط هذه بطريقة ملخصة, briefly. Your, his, she's, it's, we are, your, they are. هذه هي هذه. The same thing. Just this is the full form and this the short form. The negative form. I'm not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, and you are not, and they are not. Also, this is the full form, which means it is completely written here. The short form of the negative form, I'm not, you're not, or you aren't. He is not or he isn't. She is not or she isn't. It is not, ولا, it's not or it isn't. We're not, we aren't. You are not, you aren't. They are not, they aren't. Finally, and last but not least, interrogative form. Am I? Are you? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are they? Are you? And that's all that you have, all what you have to know about the verb to be. After that, we will move to some examples and the use of the verb to be and some examples, and we will end up this course by a bunch of exercises. Well, here are some examples of the verb to be. Let's read them together. Mike and Sam are friends. So basically, Mike and Sam are two people. So we must use are. Here it is written in black. يعني فاش كيكونوا عندنا جوج الأفراد كنقولوا are, not is or am. The second example, I am in London. So here I am talking about myself. I am in London, not you are in London. I am in London. He is at school. So basically, when we see he is, it is for guys. So someone, he, is at school. Are they on holiday? Are they on holiday? Here it is interrogative form. She is my mother. She is my mother. As we have seen before, she is for the girls. Now let's take a look of the use of the verb to be. Actually, the verb to be is a verb used to describe something or someone. Also, it can be used to say different things according to the context, of course. بمعنى الverb to be هو واحد الفعل اللي كنستعملوه فاش كنبغيو نوصفوا شي حاجة أو لا نوصفوا شي حد. كما أنه كنستعملوه فاش كنبغيو نهضروا على whatever أي حاجة of course على according to the context على حساب الcontext. Still, the most common use of the verb to be is to talk about names, ages, feelings, also nationalities, and professions. أهم استعمال الverb to be هو باش نهضروا على الأسماء. نبغيو نهضر he is ولا she is ولا I am إكرام or you are حسن or whatever. And age I am you will talk about your age شحال في العمر ديالك. Feelings example I am happy, I am very happy, I am excited. Nationalities nationalité and professions. And that's all what you have to know about the verb to be. I hope that you got something وتكونوا استفدتوا من هذا الدرس. Then I will send you the exercises on the WhatsApp group. Take care of you. Bye bye.